Would you just rub your eyes over to this message? Okay. Okay, yes, I did it. What kind of adverb or preposition should we blend in? Should we mix it with the verb answer to get a phrasal verb as the conclusion or the output? So the topic for today is phrasal verb. Now, what is a phrasal verb? It's a combo package. It comes only in phrases, a combination of two words. There is a verb plus adverb, verb plus preposition. That's a phrasal verb. It's also called as a compound verb. What's a compound verb? When there are two words coming together and describing one single action or one single state of being. That's a compound word. Now, phrasal verb has got a peculiarity, is that it serves the function of an idiom. Okay, sometimes the phrasal verb can perform the role of an idiom. How? What is an idiom actually? What's an idiom? An idiom is something which, when we read the individual words, the meaning cannot be deciphered. That's an idiom. What's an idiom? When we read the individual ingredients or the parts, the meaning cannot be decoded or deciphered. For example, don't play with the fire. This doesn't mean that you are involving yourself or entertaining yourself with fire. Don't play with the fire means don't engage yourself into a very complex or complicated, dangerous situation. So phrasal verb is actually combination of two words, verb plus adverb, verb plus preposition. So today the topic is we are combining the perfect adverb or the preposition with the verb answer so as to get the end result. That is the phrasal verb. We have 4 or 5 phrasal verbs with the word answer. The first phrasal verb is answer back. So is the word back, is it an adverb or a preposition? Back is an adverb. Now, what does the phrasal verb answer back mean? Answer means to reply. Answer means to communicate. No. Answer back means to talk rudely, to talk disrespectfully or in an impudent way. Impudent means to disrespect. It was wrong that she answered back to her teacher. It was wrong that she answered her teacher back. These are the two ways in which you could frame the sentence. The second phrasal verb is answer for. It means to be responsible for your action, to give an explanation or a reply for what you have done. Answer for. You are answerable for this. You have to answer for this misdeed. You have to answer for this mistake which you have done. So this particular phrasal verb is used in a negative sense. The third phrasal verb is combining the preposition to with the word answer, which makes it answer to. See how the meaning keeps on changing with the usage of prepositions. Answer to means to communicate, to give a reply, to transmit a message. You are supposed to answer to me. He was asked to give an answer to the public on that particular matter. Next is answer with. Again, the meaning keeps on changing. Answer with means to reply with a gesture, with some signaling, with a hand movement or a reaction. For instance, please answer with a smile or answer me with a smile. Or the next example would be, you have to answer this with an evidence, answer with an evidence, answer with a proof. That's all for today.